Take control of the air you breathe with the PuroAir 240 HEPA Air Purifier, capturing up to 99.97% of dust, pollen, smoke, and pet dander for a cleaner, healthier indoor space. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the PuroAir 240 HEPA Air Purifier, 3-stage HEPA filter, and user manual. Product overview. How to use. Place your purifier on a flat, stable surface, keeping it at least 8 to 12 inches away from walls or furniture to ensure proper airflow. Open the filter cover, remove the protective packaging from the filter, and insert it correctly according to the airflow indicators. Plug in the purifier, press the power button, and select your preferred mode: auto, sleep, or turbo. You can also set a timer for automatic shutoff or activate sleep mode for quieter operation. And remember to reset the filter indicator whenever you replace the filter. Maintenance. To replace the filter in your air purifier, turn off and unplug the unit. Twist and lift the bottom panel counterclockwise, remove the old filter, and insert the new one with the PuroAir logo facing out. Replace and lock the bottom cover. Plug in the purifier, power it on, and hold the replacement indicator for 10 to 15 seconds to reset. Now your purifier is ready to clean the air so you can breathe easier. Smart features. The advanced multi-stage filtration uses pre-filters, HEPA, and activated carbon to trap dust, pollen, smoke, and odors. Each stage works together for cleaner, healthier air. The smart air quality sensor continuously detects pollutants like dust, smoke, and VOCs, providing real-time air quality updates. It automatically adjusts purifier settings for optimal, healthy airflow. Designed for large rooms, it efficiently circulates clean air across wide spaces, ensuring every corner stays fresh. Ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, and open areas. Operates whisper quietly, reducing noise while running so you can sleep, work, or relax without disturbance. Perfect for nighttime or home office use. Specifications. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. Want to grab the PuroAir 240 HEPA Air Purifier from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your PuroAir 240 HEPA Air Purifier. See you in the next one.